Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a recipe for hominy fritters with hatch chili bacon and cheddar cheese. For this recipe you'll need hatch chili bacon, yellow hominy, egg, milk, butter, flour, salt, sugar, baking powder, shredded cheddar cheese, and oil for frying. Begin by dicing and frying the bacon. Once the bacon has gotten crispy, remove it and set it aside. Next, whisk the egg and stir in the milk and melted butter. In a separate bowl, sift the flour and then stir in the salt and sugar. Pour the wet ingredient mixture into the dry ingredients along with the drained and rinsed hominy, cooked bacon, and shredded cheddar cheese. Stir the fritter mixture until everything is thoroughly combined and evenly distributed. Just a quick reminder before we continue with the recipe, don't forget you can always check the description for the ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Now let's keep cooking. Now heat your oil in a deep fryer or cast iron Dutch oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is heated, work in batches and drop spoonfuls of the hominy fritter batter into the oil, deep frying them until golden brown and crispy. Make sure not to overcrowd them. Once they are finished frying, remove them and place them on a paper towel lined baking sheet or a cooling rack. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your hominy fritters turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.